Happy Mother's Day. I know a woman, and when she speaks I hear heaven in her voice, the soft sound, and welcome arms branch like trees, a golden smile couldn't be bought. For 9 months she carried me so close to her heart, and it feels like she's holding me now. Mom, 18 and still not grown enough to call her by her first name, and if I dare tell anyone her age, she'd hit me. If I bought her something thinking of her, she'd hug me. Even when I did nothing, she'd hold me with those hands that smell like autumn. Catch me when the leaves fall, a world made from a mother's mind, designed in all sizes, dressing the earth in its seasons, spring, summer, fall, and when the earth is covered in snow. It looks like a white wedding dress. Mother has married nature. Mother has told me in this monstrous world there is no one like you. And I told everyone I knew there is nothing like her cooking. Brag about your mom the way she brags about her children. Stay proud. Even when in public she gets a little loud. I've never had a person ask so many questions and told me to shut up when I tried to reply. Look her in the eyes and never lie. She has her phrases like, I brought you in this world and I'll take you out and make another one look just like you. And because I said so was never a real answer, Mom. Sometimes you didn't make any sense, but you carried enough change to make a register full of coins look like a room full of dollars. Only Mom can make a house, a home. Only she and Grandma can make sure you're looking your best before you leave. Wherever I went, she was there, in the stands, at my football games, in the audience, watching while a boy broke down his emotions. She carried those pieces left and helped me put these puzzle pieces back together. Even when Dad couldn't make it, she was there. And even when God was a child, he had a mother that showed him love, that taught him to take the darkness and pose a little light. Mothers are that light that fight for peace, comforts night away right when all seems wrong. Mom, without you, I wouldn't know all these facts and home remedies. Thank you for the melodies in your voice that replays in my mind. Thank you for bringing me to church and doing all of this hard work. Because even after 9 months and 18 years pass, when I'm a man, I'll never forget who made me, who I am.